Hi, it's Professor Monty, and let's learn how to graph a logarithmic function. Okay, so remember, a logarithmic function is the inverse of an exponential function. And so its graph's going to have the same basic shape, which we call a hockey stick or a banana. The graph of the logarithmic function will be a reflection across the line y equals x of the associated or related exponential function. Let me show you an example. They want us to graph f of x equals log base 2 of x. Well, remember that's y equals log base 2 of x. But from logarithms, what this means, it says 2 to some power is x. Well, that power is y. So we can change this from log form to exponential form by saying, oh, this is 2 to the y is equal to x. And now I can just plot some points. So let's plot some points, x and y. I'm going to plug in values for y, calculate x. Let's do -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. We can plug in a 3. Well, remember, 2 to the -2, which is x, is going to be 1 over 2 squared, so 1/4. If I plug in a -1, I'm going to get 1/2. 2 to the 0 is 1. 2 to the 1 is 2. 2 to the 2 is 4. And 2 to the 3rd is 8. So if I look at this graph, let's see. I've got x's are going all the way up to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The y values go down to -2 up to 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Guess we're good there. Okay, so I've got when x is 1/4, I'm down to -2. When x is 1/2, I'm down at -1. At 1, I'm at 0. At 2, I'm at 1. At 4, I'm at 2. So there was 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm up at 2. And at 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, I'm up at 3. So this graph looks like this. Notice it's got that same distinctive hockey stick shape, or a banana, if you will. That's the graph. That's the graph f of x or y equals. We'll say y equals log base 2 of x. And when I was talking about the reflection, if I draw this line here, y equals x, the graph that's the reflection of that, which would look like this, that's our graph y equals 2 to the x. Notice this graph was really x equals 2 to the y. That's what we just graphed. Oh, x equals 2 to the y. So x equals 2 to the y is the reflection of this y equals 2 to the x. But x equals 2 to the y is y equals log base 2 of x. That's a log function. It has the same basic shape. It's a reflection across y equals x. That's the idea. Notice for this one, the basic domain here is I get stopped. I never quite make it to x equals 0. So it's going to be 0 to infinity. And my range, I go down forever, I go up forever. Negative infinity to infinity. So that's my basic shape of a log function. Still has the same basic shape, the hockey stick banana type shape of an exponential. But to graph it, usually what I'll do is I'll change it from log form to exponential form. Plug in values for y, calculate x, and that'll give you the graph. Okay, that's the idea. Practice these, you'll get them pretty quickly, but it just takes a little bit of time.